What's up, guys? Welcome back to the S3 Magazine YouTube channel. Today we are here at SPEC Clutch in Besemer, Alabama, just outside of Birmingham. As you can see behind us, we got my Focus ST on a lift and we got its transmission on a stand right there. Today it is getting a stage 2 plus clutch. SPEC is doing the install. My man Danny is here behind us doing the install on the Focus. So let's cut over to David, the owner of SPEC, so we can talk about what the benefits are into putting this clutch on this car since we did the Garret 2867 Gen 2 Turbo.
Obviously, making the power that you're making, wanting to go play with coyotes, you're going to have to upgrade the clutch to one with higher capacity. The Stage 2 Plus does that. It'll hold 545 foot-pounds of torque and still be great for daily driving in traffic. An even bigger benefit doing a package like this is the billet flywheel. We can get away from the dual mass flywheel, which is going to be unreliable at higher power, higher torque numbers. We're going from a 25-pound stock flywheel to a 9.5-pound billet flywheel. It doesn't require as much engine power to turn the flywheel. Right. You do get a measurable horsepower gain on the dyno, and torque won't change. Right. Momentum changes, but torque's not going to change. It's gonna remain within a foot-pound or so.
You know, you might see what, 10 horsepower on the dyno. Is that to be expected, or not that many? Or
yeah, with a mass reduction this great on this car, I would definitely expect to see 10 to 12.
It's relevant. Like I've been talking to a Porsche buddy of mine before, and while you might see 10 on a dyno, like the real-world application of something like this is, you know, on a drag strip or on a back straight of a road course. That's where you start really pulling car lengths because it's now more efficient.
The lighter flywheel and clutch setup will take some hit off the tires. So when you're talking about a front-wheel drive car with a lot of power, it's really going to improve the response rate from the foot to the throttle. And so you can overcome wheel spin a little easier with it as well. I think it'd be actually easier to drive in most situations on the street when you're driving aggressively.
I can't even see myself. How does my hair look? Well, Jonathan, Hunter from S3, and today we're putting a roof on.
Well, as long as, you know, as long as this test is negative, I'm not worried about it.
I'm thinking.
Take your time. I'll just smile.